On Mac operating systems, go to nmap.org, then click Download on the left side of the web page. After that, scroll all the way down to the bottom and search for Mac OS X binaries. The latest stable release is Nmap 7.80, so we are going to click on that file and download it. We are going to wait a bit for the file to download, then we are going to open the file and press skip. The step here can last longer than expected. And when the Nmap project window shows up, just click on Nmap 7.80 mpkg. Ignore this warning and click OK. After that, just open the package again. Now inside the Nmap installer, you can change the install location and you can set up a password if you are prompted to. After that, just click Continue and wait for installation to finish. And click Close in order to close the installation. And if you want, you can move the Nmap installer to the trash. Next thing that you are going to do is open a terminal and test the Nmap by running a nmap command. You can clearly see the long nmap's output, which means that Nmap is installed and working with no problems.